Welcome to our analysis video of Canopy Tax Software, an innovative cloud-based platform designed to streamline tax-related tasks for professionals. Canopy offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help tax professionals manage their workflows, client relationships, and documents. It is a modern solution in the field of tax preparation and accounting, providing a new level of efficiency and client service. Canopy tax software comes packed with key features that make tax tasks a breeze. Its primary features include client management, document management, tax resolution, and practice management. It also offers a user-friendly client portal where clients can directly upload their documents. Moreover, it provides tools for billing and invoicing, making it easier to manage finances. Its intuitive interface makes navigating these features seamless. Canopy's pricing model is flexible, catering to different needs and budgets. There are three main packages: practice management at $90 per user per month, tax resolution at $199 per user per month, and the full suite at $349 per user per month. Each package offers a different set of features, allowing businesses to choose what best suits their needs. A free trial is also available for those who want to test the waters before diving in. Canopy tax software is ideal for a range of use cases. It's perfect for tax professionals and accounting firms looking to streamline their workflows. Businesses that need to manage client relationships and documents efficiently will find it useful. Canopy is also great for firms needing a secure platform where clients can directly upload their tax documents. Furthermore, it's a good fit for those seeking a handy tool for billing and invoicing. Canopy tax software has several advantages. Its cloud-based nature allows for access anytime, anywhere, and ensures data safety. The software's comprehensive suite of tools significantly streamlines workflow, boosting efficiency and productivity. The intuitive client portal not only enhances client service, but also reduces the need for lengthy email exchanges. Plus, its flexible pricing allows for scalability as your business grows. Despite its many benefits, Canopy tax software has some limitations. The software has a learning curve, which may be challenging for non-tech savvy users. Some users have reported occasional glitches and slow loading times, which can disrupt workflow. Also, the cost may be prohibitive for smaller firms or individual practitioners. Lastly, while customer support is available, it's not 24/7, which may be inconvenient for some users. In conclusion, Canopy tax software is a robust and comprehensive solution for tax professionals. It offers a wide range of features that streamline workflow and enhance client service. While there are some limitations, such as the learning curve and occasional glitches, the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. The flexible pricing allows businesses of different sizes to benefit from the software. It's certainly a tool worth considering for those in the tax profession. Key takeaways from this analysis include Canopy's comprehensive features covering client management, document management, tax resolution, and practice management. Its cloud-based nature, intuitive client portal, and flexible pricing make it a strong contender in tax software. However, be mindful of the learning curve, occasional glitches, and the cost, especially for smaller businesses. Despite these, its benefits largely outweigh the drawbacks. Thank you for watching our thorough analysis of Canopy tax software. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the software's strengths and weaknesses, helping you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more software reviews and analysis videos. We are committed to providing you with the most accurate and up-to-date information to help you make the best decisions for your business. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.